Welcome everybody to a quick overview of my home CHP system, combined heat and power, based around a 1950s Lister single cylinder engine. It's an oil engine. It will run on vegetable oil, diesel oil, or even used car engine oil if it's filtered properly. The engine at the moment is connected to two separate electrical systems, generating 240 volts AC and 12 volts DC. If you can see down the back, there's the two alternators. The top one, the white one, is the 12 volt. It's a marine alternator, generates 150 amps at 12 volts, and below it is the standard 230 volt generator alternator, which runs at about 3000 RPM and generates up to 15 amps on 230 volts. All the controls are within here. In here we have 12 volt marine regulator and charger, which provides a good charge for the batteries, which are hidden away down behind these boxes here. There's 8 100 amp hour 12 volt batteries. Also in here is obviously all the main safety items. You've got a main on-off switch from the alternator wiring, which then goes through a 32 amp MCB to the house, 6 amp MCB for the low voltage charging gear, and another MCB for the 12 volt charging gear. Indicators on the top for volts and amps on mains, and volts and amps on the 12 volt system. Obviously for safety we can isolate the batteries using this switch. As you see, the battery voltage is displayed down there. A nice healthy 13.3 at the moment. And if I flick on the switch here, you get the voltage all the same on the charging system. Obviously there's no amps, the alternator is not running at the moment, and the batteries are fully charged, so once we start her up, you won't see any current unless we put a load on it. Right, out of the top, if I show you here, not a very clear picture, but you can select 1, 2, 3 or 4 outputs from the generator. Basically the mains for the house can either come directly from the alternator, or it can come from one of 3 inverters which are run off 3 completely separate battery banks.